Introduction to Hours, Smarter Task Management.
Welcome to a guide on using Hours, the app designed to help you manage your day more efficiently. With block-based time tracking, Hours makes it easy to organize your work, improve focus, and get more done. Let's explore how this simple method can transform your approach to tasks, giving you greater clarity and productivity.
Getting started with Hours.
First, download and install the Hours app on your preferred device. Create an account to sync your data. Begin by setting up your projects or categories. Think of these as the key tasks you want to track. This step is crucial because it forms the foundation for accurate time blocking and helps you later analyze how you're spending your time.
Block-based time tracking made easy.
To track your work, simply create time blocks for each task or project. Tap to start a timer when you begin work and stop it when you finish or switch activities. The visual timeline in Hours shows you how your day is segmented, making it easy to spot time sinks or distractions. Adjust entries manually if needed for accuracy.
Review and analyze your productivity.
At the end of your day or week, use Hours reporting tools to review how your time was allocated. The app provides clear charts and breakdowns by project or task. Reviewing these insights helps you identify patterns, make adjustments, and set more realistic goals for future time blocks, ultimately leading to better focus and improved work habits.
Tips for effective task management with Hours.
To make the most of Hours, keep your blocks short and focused. Try 25 to 60 minutes per session. Schedule regular breaks and avoid multitasking within a single time block. Use reminders to start or stop timers so you never forget to track your time. Over time, these habits lead to more mindful work and greater control over your daily schedule.
Conclusion. Take control of your time.
Hours empowers you to break your day into manageable pieces, making it easier to focus, reflect, and improve how you spend your time. By mastering block-based time tracking, you'll develop smarter work routines and reach your goals with greater ease. Start today and experience the benefits of organized, intentional task management.